Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So there is a new update available on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So today in this video we will check out that new update. To check out that update, you just have to simply go into your settings, and after going into your settings you have to scroll down and search for this software update option. And after selecting software update, you have to click on download and install. From here you will get to see that there is this new update available to download. This is the December 1st 2024 security patch with the 575 MBs in size. And talking about what's new, so this update includes some device stability improvement, bug fixes, and new or enhanced features. Also, the security of the device will be enhanced. You just have to simply download this update first of all, and depending on your internet speed, it will download the update. So here I will quickly fast forward the update until the update is finally downloaded. And once downloaded, you just have to simply install this update, but make sure to install this update when your device is completely free, as during the installation process you won't be able to use your device or make any emergency calls also. And this installation process might take a while as well, so make sure to install this update when your device is completely free. This installation process will take a while, around 3 to 5 minutes, so I will quickly fast forward this part of the video as well. And once the installation is done, you are good to go. Your update is installed on your device. And now when you will go into your settings and check for the software update, you will get to see that your device will be on the latest version. As you can see, when I will click on download and install, it will tell that your device is up to date on the latest version. As you can see, your software is now up to date on the latest security patch level of December 1st 2024. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was the new update available on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So do check out this update and let me know in the comment section that have you got this update on your device or not yet. And if you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.